Sunsets are getting later and later. You can still see. It's kind of like that cloudy with a chance of meatball shot there. See that last little bit of the solar disk from the Lexington Financial Center. Cold shots are getting shorter, at least through the next 8 days. We have another one coming. We got to get rid of this one too, but we're not quite done with winter yet, but more and more spring is showing up. Warm winds and storm chances the middle of this week, and the 8-day temperatures are not for the faint of heart. We'll get to all that coming up. And it was cold this morning. Middle upper teens from the Kentucky Mesonet, some folks right around 20. That is a brisk start to the day, and it's not like it's warm now. Low in mid-30s, 35 right now in Danville, 33 in Richmond. Frankfort's at 36. Got 32 coming out of Jackson. So what's going on at the Bluegrass Airport? Because that's where we take the official temperature. We're at an even freezing after a high today at 37. Morning low was a cold 15. Air is dry with modified Arctic air. Northwest wind at 5 gives us a wind chill. We'll call that the upper 20s. We're looking at temperatures in the morning, upper teens and low 20s around the Lakes Monticello at 18. Liberty and Stanford each at 23. To the southeast, there's a lot of cold in the valleys. How about the 18 in Hyman and Hyden and Manchester, Salyersville, Prestonsburg, all at that 18-degree mark. We head up to the northeast, 20 in Nobingsville, 20 in Moorhead, 19 Maysville, same in Irvin. And around the Bluegrass, we got the 18 in Lexington, Paris at 21, Danville 23, same with Harrodsburg. But look what happens tomorrow afternoon. Keep in mind, we start off down here and finish in the low 50s. And then it's the 60s Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday, though, comes at a price. But look at the cold that comes back again for Friday. But it doesn't last. By the end of the weekend, we're back up into the 50s. So here's the setup. Springtime is trying to grow to the south, and that happens every year, but it is getting really warm. Thing is, there is a bucket load of cold air sitting up here in Canada. I mean, it is a lot, and it's not going anywhere. So these two keep clashing, and they're going to be doing so over the coming weeks. That's the setup for bringing thunderstorms in. Well, we've got one low this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that'll travel up the Ohio Valley. The biggest threat for the severe storms is to our southwest, but it's close enough and some of the parameters are there that we got to at least keep an eye on it for Thursday. It's not a big chance for us. It's not going to be a widespread outbreak, but the possibility does remain. Tonight, the sky is clear. The temperatures are cold. Developing storm out here to the west. Look at the isobars, all those white lines you see. What does that mean? Windy. And those winds are picking up moisture. You see the clouds coming up from the Gulf, encountering the front. Rain begins to become more widespread on Wednesday. That low dives down toward Oklahoma and then begins to make the turn to the northeast. And as it does that, here comes the rain on Thursday. Here are the thunderstorms and a windy day. And by the way, look at all the snow on the backside of that system. For us tonight, beautifully clear, but it's cold, upper teens. Tomorrow, sunny, great afternoon. We're in the low 50s. Low 60s and a windy day on Wednesday. Strong storm possibility on Thursday in the 60s. Could end as a little mixy stuff early Friday morning with a cold day to end the week.